Hi OM Tech. So here's the problem I'm having. When my laser starts close to the origin, that I moved it there by hand, and I start up the controller, it does this, it bangs into the side, and then we'll read 10,000 on the X and Y. Like so. I have to push escape to get it to keep banging into the rails. Now, you can see that the Y limit switch is engaging its light. The light's turning on, but it still is pushing against the Y axis. See, it reads 10,000 now, and because I have moved it, that's how that works. This limit switch doesn't engage at all, light up at all. This one does, but it still slams into the side. If I turn off the controller, the problem with this is that my numbers are all wrong, so anytime that I engage on light burn somewhere in its design, it wants to go back to less than 10,000, which is in the upper right corner. If I start the controller, if I turn this off and start the gantry away from the corner, it doesn't want to seek home, and it drifts. And it drifts along both the X and the Y axis. But if I engage this manually, it stops homing, so that means that must be homing, and drifts on the X. Eventually, once it resets, wherever it ends up drifting to will be 0 and the origin, and that'll be the top right hand corner, and I'm losing all of my bed workspace. That's what's happening right now. Is there a way that I can disable homing, or is there something I can do to fix this? Because the homing switches are not behaving as they should.